Okay, 4.7, Opus 4.7 recently came out. I like to do a test when new models come out, and what I'm doing is having a control where I ask it to build a application, just basically, and then have it build a specific application, one that already pre-exists. So as you can see here, I'm about to prompt it. I want you to rebuild, I should say rebuild, but it's okay. It's AI. I can figure out what I mean. Rebuild ClickUp as close as possible to the real thing. And I already have another one here that says, give me an application where I can track time. So let's see how well it does. I'm having it run on auto mode for both. So obviously one that I'm doing is super basic. Of course, it's going to ask questions now based on the new version of Claude Code, which is something that I'm newer to. I'm really just going to try and go with, its suggestion usage. Yeah. I trust your judgment. I trust your judgment. Okay. So basically, I want to see how in depth this can go, right? What we're going to be testing is context, and then how far this will take the application. Obviously, this question here, where I just basically ask, give me a time tracking tool, this should be extremely basic, but I do want to see what it looks like from a design perspective, but also what functionality it chooses to put. Versus this, it should be modeling a particular solution that already exists. Okay, this is just a few minutes in, and the basic question has already finished the time tracker app. So let's see what it's built. All right, cool. We got something. I am working on work. Cool. And so it's time tracking. Nice. Okay, let's see where the other one is at. So obviously it's been running a lot longer, consumed 5,000 tokens so far. And again, I put this on auto mode, which I realized for a couple months I have been running on a very old version of Claude Code. And yeah, this is a totally different experience. All right, guys, roughly 35 minutes later, the ClickUp request is done. So let's check it out. Localhost 3000. Oh, it's not up. Okay, so we have it up and running. Moment of truth. Click clone. Looks pretty good so far. Let's see us logging in. All right. So here is the ClickUp clone. Looks pretty good. I would say it's not exact, but it's pretty close. What can we do? We can do a new list, new folder. Folder name, new folder. All right, I guess here's the product. Oh, interesting. Okay, well, anyway, this is pretty interesting. Migrate to Postgres. You can add assignees, Ada Lovelace, Grace Hopper. This is pretty good for one shot, literally one prompt to get all of this. This is pretty great. There's a couple things I could work on. Awesome. Anyway, guys, just wanted to make this video. As you can see, it is a lot more thorough. It ran 35 minutes on Opus 4.7 with a specific example versus just a one-shot. Again, I didn't really describe anything, so I think it took like 2 or 3 minutes with that other time tracking tool. So that concludes the video.